Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2016 Nissan Navara, stock number 6527. It's run from the 4th 2015 and the 12th 2020. It has a YS23 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the YS23 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right rear door, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,